Question 1 is asking us to list all the factors of 15, 25, 27, 60, and 100, and to list them in pairs if possible, and then look for which of these numbers have an odd number of factors. So let's start with 15. The easiest way I can think of to do this is to start at 1, which we know will always be a factor of these numbers, and just kind of move upwards from 1 to 10 and check if anything is evenly divisible into these numbers, and then if it is, list what you'd multiply it by so that we can list them in pairs. So in the case of 15, 1 is indeed a factor, and 15, so that's one pair, and 2 we can see doesn't go evenly into 15, but 3 does, so we have 3, and to get 15 we multiply 3 by 5, so 5 is its partner. And going upwards, 4 isn't divisible into 15, 5 is, but we've actually already listed it in this pair, so we're not going to repeat that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 doesn't work, so these are our factors of 15. Move on to 25. I'm going to do the same thing. We know 1 goes into 25 times. 2 doesn't go into 25 because it's an odd number. 3 doesn't work either. 4 doesn't work. 5 does, though. We know 5 goes into 25 and even 5 times, but we've actually already listed 5 as a factor, so I'm going to leave the second 5 off the list. And if we keep going, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 doesn't work, so these are all our factors of 25. And we can see since we've had a duplicate here, we actually only have 3 factors of 5, so 25 is one of those numbers that has an odd number of factors. If we move on to 27, again we have 1 and 27. 2 doesn't go into 27, 3 does though, and 3 goes into 27 9 times, so 3 and 9 are also factors of 27. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 doesn't work, 9 does, but we already actually listed it here. And 10 doesn't work, so these are the factors of 27. Alright, if we look at 60, we have 1 and 60. 2 does go into 60 because it's an even number, and 2 goes in 30 times. 3 also goes into 60, goes in 20 times. 60 is actually divisible by 4 as well. 4 times 15 is 60. 5 also goes into 60, and it goes in 12 times. 6 goes in as well, and it goes 10 times. And if we think about 7 or 8 or 9, those don't work. 10 we've already got in our last pair. So these are the multiples of 60, or sorry, factors of 60. And for 100, you have 1 and 100. 2 goes into 100 50 times. 4 times 25 is 100. 5 times 20. 6, 7, 8, 9 don't work, but 10 goes into 100 10 times. But we don't want to double up on our factors, so I'm going to leave the second 10 off the list. And again, we can see that 100 is one of those numbers that has an odd number of factors. So that's our answer for question 1.